everyone, how are you guys doing? This is Sampriti and welcome to the essay. This video is going to be a haul. I know that how much we girls love to shop, right? This is like the universal truth. We love shopping and also we love to show what we have shopped. This is also an exciting phase. Recently I have shopped a lot of cosmetic products and a few outfits, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And so I will start with the cosmetic products and then I'll follow with the outfits. So let's begin. One of the must-have product is a sunblock. So with this thought, I bought this Nivea Sun Protection. It is SPF 50 and it's non-sticky and water resistant. Next product which is a must-have for summer is this aloe vera gel. The one I have bought is from Patanjali. And oh my god, this product is a savior in summers. It soothes your skin, it calms down after the day's heat, and I just love it. If you guys haven't tried this one, then I think you definitely should for this summer and you will know what difference it makes. The next product is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Well, this is a makeup primer by Lakme. A primer is basically used to fill in the unevenness on your skin so that it smooths out while you apply foundation. The unevenness is blurred off. Then I have got a foundation from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation and I'm on the shade 128 Warm Nude Beige. Next I have, this is Maybelline New York Concealer, Fit Me Concealer, and the shade I bought is 25 Medium Moyen, but actually this is a little warmer shade for me. I have to go for lighter shade, so I picked the wrong color, but it's a really good concealer, it blends really well. Next I have a few eye products. So first of all I would like to show you this Maybelline mascara. This is Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara. Okay, so before buying it, I wanted to make sure I buy the right mascara because I did not want to spend a lot of money because I am not a makeup pro. I do not use makeup a lot and this is the first time I have been buying so many products of makeup. I otherwise go for eyeliners and lip shade, that's it. And yes, CC cream. CC cream is a must to have, but apart from that I do not go for foundation and all this stuff. So I wanted to buy the products which are really precise and I do not waste money by buying products which I would regret later. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos, I read a few reviews on online websites, and after that I bought these products. And this one was recommended by one YouTuber. I don't know if you follow her or not. She is Malvika Sitlani. She recommends this highly on her drugstore product hauls, and that's why I bought it, and yes, I love it. Next I have a Kajal pencil and this one is from Swiss Beauty. I love it. I love it. It says long wearing and smudge proof. I really love it because it's very smooth. It just slides gently, so it's not like that you have to struggle a lot to draw it. So I really love it. And next I have an eyeliner from Lakme Absolute Shine Line and it's in the color brown. I love it. It's a glittering brown. So if you do not want to go all black and you want to create a party look with something simple, just a slide of glitter. I love lip shades. I just love it. So I bought 3 lip shades here. I have 3 and I will show you what I have got. The first one is from Sugar. It's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick and the shade I bought is Brink of Pink. I will show you. Yeah. This is a very pretty liquid matte lipstick and it has got this pinkish shade. I will show you. It's very pretty, it looks fancy, isn't it? And it's a little purplish shade. Okay, the next lipstick is from Maybelline. It's Maybelline's Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color. And the shade I got is Mysterious Mocha. So I wanted to go for a nude shade and I thought that this one would fit me. I will do a swatch for you guys. Okay, I'm done with my lip shades. Now I will show you nail paint. This is the new shade from Maybelline Color Show. I love this nail paint and I'm wearing these right now, so yes, this is very pretty. Next I have two products from Blue Heaven. The products are, one is a blush and the other is a very compact eyeshadow. So it has got 4 shades. I bought these two products because the price was very reasonable, and as I told you that I'm not a makeup pro and I do not go for blush and eyeshadow on everyday basis. It is only for YouTube that I put on makeup actually, and so I thought that before going ahead with more expensive products, let's settle on a lower range first, and if I really start loving these products, then I can invest more money on them. Okay, so here is a blush. Now I'll go ahead and unbox this eyeshadow. Okay, so here are these 4 shades. So these are the swatches. One of my most valued possession right now is this palette. Oh my god, I am crazy about this one. This is Glam 21 Professional Eyeshadow Kit, and this is a gift from my best friend on my birthday. I haven't used it yet, but I'm so excited about using this one to create various looks for you guys, and yeah, I'll show it to you right now. Ta-da! I love the way this box looks. These are the shades. The shades are dreamy, I told you. Okay, now let's move on to earrings. I have bought a lot of earrings recently and I would love to show it to you guys. First of all, the pair I'm wearing right now. I shopped these outfits for my office wear, and so these are not fancy but are rather simple with subtle colors. So yeah, I will show it to you. The first one is this top. It is in black and has got very pretty floral print. I think this will look very pretty if you pair it with a grey formal pant, and to create that look I have bought this top. This is a very pretty turquoise color top and I love it. It has got this 2 laces from the neck, and when you tie it up, it will form something flowery or bow kind of a thing on the neck, and it really looks classy, especially for office wear. So I'm very much excited to wear this actually. I think this one will go very well with some skin color trouser, or maybe with a dark colored skirt, formal skirt. I think I am going to style it that way. Next one is this shirt. Okay, so I know you guys must have been thinking that this is a very common print last season. I mean, this print, this white and blue stripes has become so common, but I still bought it because I love the cut of this shirt. Can you see it? It has some different unique cut, and it will be very loose fitting, and I love oversized clothes. And I think I'm going to wear this with dark color trouser piece. Last one is my favorite. And yet again, this is also wrinkled. I'm really very sorry, I haven't ironed it yet. I just bought it and I left it that way, so it is wrinkled. I don't know if you can see the design or if you like it or not, but this is one of the prettiest pieces. It has got long sleeves, and I am not sure how appropriate it would be to wear to office, but I'm definitely gonna wear it. But what I'm gonna wear this, I think it will look very pretty with a skin color or brown trouser, or with a dark color skirt, formal skirt. I think I'm going to wear it that way, but I totally believe that this can also be carried very well as a party wear as well. So let's see. I think this is a very versatile piece I have got. I love this maroon colored sleeve, and I think I have got 2 to 3 lip shades which perfectly match with this to create a party look. So yes, I am very much excited about creating looks with this outfit. So let's see what I come up with. Well guys, this is all about it. This is all I have bought recently, and I know it was a lot of stuff all together in one video. But when girls shop, they shop. They shop their heart out, and that is what I did. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. And you please make sure to subscribe, like and share my videos, because I told you earlier it means a lot to me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Until then, this is Sampriti signing off.